damage to this one right here. That was missed. Look at that. It's actually torn. So you can see. That's wind damage too. As you can see, trying to retrieve the nail, this tore. All right, so these shingles are so tight. It'll be this one. I had to break seal on. See, just to get up under that nail. You can see right here that it tore the shingle. So every time you try to remove a nail, it's going to tear the shingle. Get photos of that. You can see that it tears the shingle. And we got 3 on this side and 4 on the back side. All right, guys.